Hi everyone, I wanted to talk to you today about the reason that I really think that laughter is the best emotional vibe to strive towards. There's a couple of reasons for this and why I think you should get your giggle on as often as possible. The first one is that, as you know, as I'm sure you have often experienced, when you laugh out loud and when you giggle and when you find something really funny, it actually raises your energy level. It gives you more energy. And you know this because actually if you spend an entire evening laughing out loud, you're really quite tired. So laughter is really good for raising your vibration. You know that if you are feeling sadness or apathy or just a bit flat or down, really all you want to do is go to bed. Whereas if you can find something that triggers laughter for you or triggers even amusement enough to break a smirk, this actually raises your energy level. So this is the first reason. The second reason is that if you do have experience with anger or you feel a lot of anger or frustration, these are really high energy emotions. And actually, it's not necessarily a natural progression to go from anger to peace. It's much easier to get into another high energy emotion. And that's the reason, for example, often if we feel fear, we react in anger because they're both high energy emotions. So, practice getting your giggle on. It helps you get out of anger, it can help you get out of fear, it can raise your energy level if you're feeling flat or a little bit sad. And as much as we would like everything to be perfect in this world and we would like everything to be peace, love and happiness, this is unrealistic because it only represents one side of the pendulum swing. And we understand the natural laws, and we know that where there is peace, there is always also not peace. We know where there is not anger, there is also anger. So, rather than striving for the illusion of a perfect world, if we give ourselves the tools to manage our emotions and to feel more upbeat and to feel happy and giggly and silly, then we allow ourselves to experience the full spectrum of our emotions and give ourselves the tools to change our emotions. So practice getting your giggle on.